Can I do sports with scoliosis? Absolutely, positively, yes. I want this kid to be fit. And the sport is how they're going to get fit. I'm not going to tell a kid, oh, you got to go swimming. You can't play soccer anymore. You got to go swimming. Maybe that kid doesn't like swimming. Maybe that kid doesn't have access to a pool. Maybe the kid says, hey, my hair turns green from the chlorine. I don't like swimming. I don't know how to swim. But I love playing tennis. I love playing soccer. I love riding a horse. The truth is, it doesn't really matter. But we want the kids to be fit. If you said to me, what would be the best exercise for a kid with scoliosis? I might say, first of all, I would say, let them do whatever they want. But if they don't have an exercise that they like, I would say look at martial arts. It creates a lot of strength, creates a lot of coordination and balance. It's a great exercise. So yes, sport is never prohibited. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.